Excuse me, sir. Sir, how did you get rich?
I sold a couple of companies.
How many, man? How did you get rich?
I sold 4 companies. One to Warren Buffett, one to Coca-Cola.
How much money did you make? Like, what was the most amount of money you made in a single year?
A lot of money. Come on, man. I worked hard to keep that private.
Can I interview you for a minute, man?
Sure.
I go all over the world interviewing the
I
richest
know who
people.
you are, man. Come on.
Cool? You sold a company to Warren Buffett. What did you learn from doing business with Warren Buffett?
You get rich slowly. And it took me a long time. How old are you?
23.
You will make 20 times more money in your 40s than you're making now. How much money do you make now? You ask everybody how much money they make. How much money are you making, James? What's the biggest year you've had?
So my business is going to make well over $10 million this year.
At 23?
23, I promise you.
Can I invest in you now?
I don't know if I need the
Wait, you
capital.
guys are making $10 million a year now?
Over 10 million.
Is it safe to say that your company is probably worth $80 to $100 million now?
Could be.
You want to sell 10% of it?
We could set up a call after this.
No. Let's do it right now.
I'll give you my
Let's
contact.
Shark Tank this shit right now.
I'll give you my contact. So what is the number one thing that you look for?
No, let's go back to that, James. I'll give you a check for $10 million today. You talk to your partners. You guys give me 10%. Think about it.
So you were just willing to give me a $10 million check. What is the number one thing that you look for in people when you're deciding to invest into them?
Hunger. I see you out there hustling. The way you approached me, you are the business plan.
So you don't invest in businesses, you invest in people.
100%.
Do you think everybody's built for entrepreneurship?
No.
Why not? What percentage of the population do you think is really cut out for entrepreneurship?
Small. It's lonely being an entrepreneur. It's lonely. The pressure is real, and you have to be able to deal with that. Everybody's not wired like that.
If me and you died tomorrow and you had one more message to leave with the younger generation, what would that be?
At the end of the day, we only have one job, and that's stay healthy.
I just saw a young billionaire die. Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, question for you. How did you get rich?
Well, who's ever rich?
You look like money. Ma'am, how did you get rich?
I got rich being a business owner.
So real quick,
yes.
I have 21 million followers. I interview billionaires on how they made it for the younger generation. How long were you a business owner?
Over 20 years.
Over these 20 years, what was the most amount of money you made in a single year?
$5 million.
Can we get 1 minute with you for the channel? It'll be worth it, I promise you.
wait so long.
Just 1 minute. It's to help the younger generation. It'll be worth it.
Come on.
Did you have people that thought you were crazy going into business for yourself?
Yes. See, some people are going to kill your dream because they don't see it for themselves. But my motto is never take advice from someone that you wouldn't exchange a bank account with. You are your biggest investment.
What's the greatest piece of advice you received throughout your career?
When you marry wrong, it's going to cost you a lot of money.
So you got divorced.
I'm currently going through a divorce. Yes, year 4.
What's the number one lesson you've learned from this divorce that you give to somebody you...
Number 1, have a prenuptial agreement just to make sure if you guys leave, you don't have to do all this divvying up of assets. Number 2, you can marry your number 1 enemy. You can marry someone that just hates the life that you have. When you marry wrong, it's going to cost you at the end.
Did you go to college?
Yes, I'm a lawyer.
You're a lawyer?
Yes.
What's the lesson about business you teach them that is not taught in school?
Run your business like it's Walmart. Meaning from the very beginning, you set your business up like it's Walmart. I don't care what the bank account says. Walmart don't accept Cash App. You should.
What's your name?
Joy.
Joy, this is game right here. This is straight game right here. How old are you today?
I am knocking on 50.
What's the secret to looking so young at 50?
I believe as a woman, you need to always look your best. And you cannot sell a dream looking like a nightmare.
Say that again.
You cannot sell a dream looking like a nightmare.
But if me and you died tomorrow and you had one more message to leave with the younger generation, what would that be?
God is the key ingredient.
Who is your God?
Jesus.
You're a Christian.
Correct. Yes, I am.
You're not afraid to say that either.
I am not.
Why not?
Because God has delivered me from my darkest time. When God closes a door, He's opening up a bigger blessing down the hall. It's not how you start, it's how you finish.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, is this your McLaren?
Yeah, both is mine.
How did you get rich, man? I go all over the world interviewing billionaires and successful people. What did you do for a living?
I'd rather not say.
I'm from the States. I've interviewed 32 billionaires in the last 4 years.
Right.
I came out here to interview successful Hong Kong entrepreneurs.
Right.
What types of businesses did you run?
I have a few.
What made you want to become an entrepreneur?
My family was really poor. My dad grew up really poor.
He did.
And he made it up himself. And he always told me that I would find my own way.
You ended up making it yourself.
Yeah, I mean, I never got any help from my family, so.
Are you from Hong Kong?
I am born and raised.
So what was the most amount of money you made in a single year?
Wow, probably 100 million pounds.
100 million pounds?
Yeah.
How was that possible? What business was that primarily?
We do global markets. We do IPOs and everything.
You take companies public?
Yeah.
You actually?
Yeah.
How did you get into that business?
Sorry.
Sometimes you gotta do business mid-interview.
One more. What's
man.
up?
How old are you now?
I'm 31.
There's a young 20-year-old watching this right now.
Right.
They want to make $100 million, 100 million pounds in today's world. Give them the blueprint right here.
Wow. You know, everyone has their own way out. There's no way you can copy me. There's no way I can copy you. So everyone's different, right?
How do you stand out from competition? It's competitive.
No. I mean, my market's really niche. We only have a few people in the business.
So the riches are in the niches.
Definitely.
How did you come upon that niche of anything you could have done?
I mean, I have a double degree in economics and law.
What's more important, book smarts or street smarts?
Street.
Why?
Definitely street. I don't care where you graduated from. If you're only book smart, then you might be working for me anyway, right?
And that's why they say C students run the world.
Yeah. I mean, I never ask anyone who works for me. I never require them to have any specific educational wise.
How did you get your street smarts?
I really don't know how to tell you, but just like you and I, you're street smart. You guys are all street smart, I can tell. It's born, right? It's born with
Is it inside you?
It's definitely born with it. You cannot pretend for it. It doesn't work that way.
What's the name of that car right there?
Pagani.
How much did that cost?
2.5 million pounds.
And you bought it cash?
Yeah, both of them.
You see a lot of young people, they make a little bit of money and then they go buy a car. Was it like that for you in the beginning?
No.
Why not?
I'm a really traditional Chinese person. I want to bring back to the family. I want to pay back to the family, and then I will spend it on myself.
Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
Excuse me, sir. I got a question for you. How old were you? Real quick. How old were you when you became a millionaire? Real quick. I'm going all over Hong Kong, interviewing the richest people.
No.
Hey, 1 minute, real quick. Is that okay? Yeah. How old were you when you became a millionaire?
It's an interesting question because I'm a billionaire.
You're what?
I'm not a millionaire. I'm a billionaire.
You're a billionaire?
Yes.
How old are you?
I'm 34.
So what age did you become a billionaire?
25, I would say. 25. I built one of the largest blockchain in the world.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Can I interview you off to the side real quick for 1 minute?
Okay.
Can you tell me a crazy business story?
Yes, of course. So I have lunch with Warren Buffett.
You had lunch with Warren Buffett?
Yes. 2020.
How did you get a lunch with Warren Buffett?
$4.5 million.
So you paid $4.5 million to get a lunch with Warren Buffett?
Yes.
Was it worth it?
Yes, it's totally worth it.
What did Warren Buffett teach you in that lunch?
He said, be careful with the one you marry. You need to make this decision like really hard.
Warren Buffett told you?
Yes. And I tell him to invest Tesla and Bitcoin.
Do you own a lot of Bitcoin?
Yes, I personally have a lot.
A lot of Bitcoin?
Yes.
Why are you telling Warren Buffett to invest in Bitcoin?
The reason Warren Buffett told me not to hold Bitcoin is the reason I invest in Bitcoin. Crypto and the blockchain is the money for the internet. AI and the internet won't understand the traditional finance. They won't understand the dollar. They will understand Bitcoin and all the cryptocurrency because it's created by the machine language. If you want to get into crypto, the best time is now.
Growing up, did you have any idea that you were going to become a billionaire?
For myself, I think 100%. But the people knowing me, I think they have no idea I become a billionaire.
Did you have people that doubted you?
Everybody. Yes.
Among yourself and all of the billionaires that you've met,
Yes.
what is that one trait that they all have in common?
For the one thing all the billionaires all share for me is they all have their own business.
So you can't get rich working for somebody else.
Exactly.
Excuse me, ma'am. Question for you. How old were you when you became a millionaire?
My late 20s.
And what line of business? Like, how did you get rich out here in Hong Kong?
I have our own hair care brand.
You started a company.
Yeah. I'm the founder.
And what's the company worth today?
Whoa, $100 million.
So you built a $100 million company.
Yeah.
How old are you now?
40 something?
You're in your 40s?
Yes.
Going all over Hong Kong, interviewing the richest people. Could I get 1 minute with you for the channel off to the side? Just a minute. It's for the younger generation.
Sure.
Did you have people that doubted you when you started your business?
Oh, even everyone, almost 99% they doubt me. But I'm a high school dropout.
You're a high school dropout?
Yeah, I'm a high school dropout. You are the only one who can believe yourself. If you don't believe yourself, who can believe you? Why people believe in you?
You dropped out of high school.
Yeah.
You ended up making more money than 99% of business professors will. What's a lesson about business you teach to them that's not taught in school?
Don't focus the money first. It make you sad. It's just number. Focus what you do. Focus what you're really good at and make it better. And the money will come.
If me and you died tomorrow and you had one more message to leave with the younger generation, what would that be?
Stay kind. No matter how worst situation you think you are now, it's your moment to shine and stand up tall. Even you die, you don't regret.
Do you have any regrets?
Me?
Yeah.
I miss my father. He passed away.
I'm sorry for your loss.
No, it's fine.
What did you learn from your dad?
Talking is cheap. Work on it. Once you fail, you know what is not good for you, and then you learn from it. And then you go again and do again. But think, you can rest, but don't stop. You're the only one to let you fail. Don't stop.
You have amazing advice.
Thank you so much.
Excuse me, sir. Is this your Ferrari?
Oh my God, not one of y'all the little Instagram people.
Quick, man. I got a channel with 21 million followers. I've interviewed 48 billionaires in the last 5 years.
Okay.
Could I get 30 seconds with you? you.
What's up?
What line of business were you in?
Serial entrepreneur, man.
What's your name?
I don't want to tell that.
Yeah, it's fine. It's cool. But let me ask you something. Did you come from a rich family growing up?
No, underprivileged for sure.
What was your turning point to financial freedom?
I mean, I played basketball. Took my money and jumped into business.
What was your main company?
Real estate.
Real estate.
49 luxury townhomes.
What was the most amount of money you made in a single year?
10 million.
$10 million.
Yeah,
What's the best piece of real estate people should be looking to buy in today's world?
Multifamily homes.
Why is that?
Because you're gonna get more money, more bang for your buck.
Yeah, how'd you go from 1 to 10 million? Tell me that.
My boy asking all the questions.
I'm
ain't he?
getting it. This is a masterclass. This is game.
Do I get a percentage of this masterclass?
I got
That's
you.
how you get it.
Are you a good salesman?
Absolutely.
What's your secret to sales?
I can't tell you that, man.
Yeah,
You can't tell
one more
everybody
last
to
one.
say
Your
my
best-
secret is being secretive, esoteric.
Best negotiation advice. You got a prospective client. How do you get that no one doing
Well,
it?
people want to be led, so they want you to tell them what they do. Remember that, especially in sales.
Did you ever walk away from a lot of money? Were you afraid to walk away?
Yeah. All money ain't good money.
All money gave
Yeah.
How do you know it's bad money? How do you know to avoid those
Because your
people?
gut tell you. If it seems like it's some BS, trust your gut. It might be good on paper, but in the long run, it's going to be detriment to your business. So
How old are you now?
I'm 45.
45 years old. Did you have people that doubted you in the business world?
Of course, man. It's a saying that says, we're not here to dream. We got hard work to do and heavy loads to live. Shun out the struggle, face it as God's gift. Be strong.
If me and you died tomorrow and you had one more message to leave with the younger generation, what would that be?
Take a risk, man. Jump off the porch. What do you say? Get off the boat, Peter. Walk on water. Take a chance.